The essential role of a drywall contractor in home improvement. Understanding ceiling and water damage repairs. At Patch and Paint Pros, we specialize in repairing the aftermath of such issues, ensuring your living space remains beautiful and structurally sound. Identifying and fixing water spots on ceilings. The first step in dealing with water damage on your ceiling is identifying the source of moisture. It's crucial to ensure that the underlying cause of the water damage, such as plumbing leaks or condensation issues, is addressed before any cosmetic repairs are made. Once the source of water damage is resolved, our team focuses on repairing the ceiling. This process typically involves assessing the damage. We evaluate the extent of the water damage to determine the best approach for repair. Preparing the area. The affected area is cleaned and dried thoroughly to prevent mold and mildew buildup. Repairing the damage. Depending on the severity, we may need to replace sections of drywall or replaster before sanding it down for a smooth finish. The challenge of paint matching. One of the more challenging aspects of repairing water-damaged ceilings is the paint matching process. Over time, ceiling paint can discolor or fade due to exposure to sunlight and other environmental factors, making it difficult to achieve a perfect match with new paint. Many paint types, especially older or custom mixes, are nearly impossible to match exactly due to changes in paint formulas and finishes. At Patch and Paint Pros, we understand these nuances and are equipped to determine your best options based on the paint type and the age of the existing paint. In some cases, the best approach may be to repaint the entire ceiling to ensure a uniform appearance, rather than attempting to match a patch repair which might stand out against the original color. Our commitment to quality repairs. We pride ourselves on our meticulous attention to detail and commitment to quality. Our team is made up of highly skilled professionals who are passionate about delivering the best results. By choosing Patch and Paint Pros, you are ensuring that your ceiling and water damage repairs are handled expertly, with lasting results that blend seamlessly with your home's aesthetic. If you're facing ceiling or water damage, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help restore your home to its former glory. Let's get your home back in top condition together. At Patch and Paint Pros, we're more than just painters. We're your partners in maintaining and enhancing your home.